everyone, here we are taking this old magazine sheet and folding it at the center. You can repeat the same process and create as many as you can. Now you just have to place all these together, and with the help of the elastic rubber band you just have to bend them at the center. You just have to open some of the ends as shown here. You can just repeat the process for the rest of the other things till you can see this type of the flower shape is created. After that, with the help of the earbud, we are bending it towards its outwards direction as shown here. You can make use of another sheet of the paper, again make some of the cuttings, make some of the foldings, and now you just have to remove them. These are going to represent the lower sample portion. Now you just have to make the stock simply by folding this sheet and inserting it over it. This looks so beautiful. Let's now move further with another activity. Here we are making use of this pattern sheet, folding it. You can just pause the video and then follow each step in a sequential manner so that you don't get confused. You just have to go on making some of the folds. This activity is full of some folds, some unfolds, some of the bendings with the help of your fingers, and it's a little bit tricky because you have to be careful while you are making these type of the bends. Let's now move further towards our another activity. We are making use of this pattern sheet, creating such type of the beautiful patterns by folding them from some of the sides, making some of the creases so that you can follow them to make the bends more clear and more good as apparent here. You just have to make the bendings from the topmost corner as shown here. You just have to make more foldings, then you just have to from upper side again fold them, create these type of the looks. These are some of the bookmarks. Let's now move further towards another crafty activity. You may require the A4 size sheet of the paper, fold it using the double-sided tape, repeat the same with the different shades. After that, open it. We are going to show you how we can make a card holder, and now you can add some of the patterns and make it more beautiful and beautify it. It all depends on your taste how you are going to decorate it. Let's move further with our another activity. Here we are taking this sheet of the paper, it's a magazine sheet, and after that we are folding it at the center and we are making some of the creases as apparent on your screens. We are making some more folds from all the ends. A square shape type of thing is created with the help of the twister. You just have to twist it and make a swirl shape. After that, it's time to make the base for this ring, and you just have to make the measurements and fix it properly. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, you may require this pattern sheet of the paper, and you can see how we are making folds out of it. You just have to make a kind of a box shape out of it by folding all the four corners from the edges. It looks quite good. After that, we are taking the another sheet and we are folding it. Just pause the video so that you don't get confused. You just have to be very careful while you are making such 3D type of DIY crafty things. You just have to follow each step in a sequential manner. Now you have to place it inside the previous box and it looks so good. Let's move further towards our last activity. Here we are taking this pattern sheet, we are making some of the folds with our hands, after that removing them and it looks a piano. Let's now move towards our another activity. You just have to make the seat for this piano table. For that, you just have to make use of the same pattern sheet, fold it in the rectangular way. You just have to make some use of some square shaped sheet and fold it, and your seat is ready. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos.